Hey everyone, it's me Darren with Madcap Toys. I'm going to show you where we're at today, just give you a little short overview of a video as it was. We've been doing some work on our yard this year so far. I've still got some more to do. My son has been helping me with it. Like you can see, I've still got more here, and then I've got a lot more to get through there. Got to touch up this section if I can, and that section over there, and then we've got a few flower pits that we want to do as well. My yard, if you can see, we've had a lot of rain just the last couple of days. I had it mowed, so please don't look at it as awful. It does look bad right now. As you can see, the dandelions are coming up big time, but that was beautiful just a couple of days ago. Then we got some storms that come in on us, and you can feel the wind really blowing hard right now. You can see it over there. So we got a lot going on, but with all that being said, we also have had a lot of things that we've been getting done. I brought in another load for Kathy and me to get on later today. Kathy's been getting most of the relist done. I've been working mostly on the listing. So we've sort of been giving each other a little bit of a you do this, I'll do that kind of thing going on. But we are working a lot in the shed and getting a lot done. And we've had, as far as our sales go, we've had a lot of on again, off again days. When the Madcap Toys Plus store is shooting, our Madcap Toys store is dead. We've been getting a lot of offers. Like last night, Madcap Toys had an offer come through. It's still waiting to be paid for, so I don't know when that started, because there for a while, at least with us, we had most of the items that if people sent you an offer, they had to have it where it's already tied to a credit card or something, to where when you accepted it, if you accepted it, it was paid for. So it looks like eBay's playing around with that again and doing different things. I'm trying to give it where you see my eyes. This light over here is messing with me. But anyway, let's go on from here. We are currently recording on the 21st. So that's what we're on, a Tuesday. We have got, right now, as you can tell, all of this wall has currently been done. Now last time, roughly when I was showing you the video to where we was wanting to get things done here, we was right about here-ish, so right around here. But we've got all that done. We've got these items here, the cars, the hats, and these little plates and dishes there. We've got those done. Now we're starting to put on a lot of this items here. Kathy has been working on a lot of this. Going back here, we are currently working on this shelf. This is going to be the one that we do. This is one of my step stools. I'm trying to keep an eye on it with you guys. This stuff that's up here is already done. Kathy has already got it all done. I got one of those little step stools right there to use. We're starting on model shelf 1. Going to go 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you can see all that we got, and this is just one side of it. Let me get out of the way, try to give it, so forgive me for that camera movement. But we're going to be doing this. I'm going to probably go see my mom this weekend, and so we might make some deals down there with them. My stepdad, for those of you that have been praying for him, I appreciate it so much. He had to have his whole skull back here taken off, the cap and all the way down to the bottom pretty much, and they took it off, and so he's got just a little bit of skin and stuff over here because they was worried about him having various cancer in there. So if you could, I ask that you continue, those that do, to offer up a prayer for him while you can, because he's going through a lot. Mom's Now, I won't say a whole lot, but I can tell she's under pressure, so keep her in mind as well. Her name is Patty, and his name is Don. But keep them in your prayers if you can. I appreciate those of you that do, and thoughts as well. And forgive the darkness here, guys. I got four or five of these off of Lonnie, and I've sold all but 2 of them, so I'm very happy with that. And I'm the kind of guy that really don't care. I want things to sell, but we're not about just saying I mean, if it happens, it happens. But to me, I don't mind having stuff set for a little bit, because to me, I get better prices doing it that way. We make deals with people as best we can as well. But we are taking, because we had to have our shed roof redone last year when we had the hailstorm. So we've had a lot of stuff fall through when they was redoing it, and we had some not branches, but like from pine trees and stuff come through, the little seedlings and what have you, I guess you'd call it seeds. A little bit of that fell through when they was taking stuff off and all that. So we're doing that, cleaning as we go, and doing everything that we can to make everything as nice and clean as possible in here, which it always is, but you know how it is. It gets a little dusty and things. So we want to, as often as we can, every 3, 4, 5 years, we try to go through and do total re-inventory, make sure everything's up. So we're in that. We've got this one entire left side, including the floor and the back, done. So now we're working on we're going to work on these 2 shelves right here and get those done, and then we're going to start and do probably about 1/4 to 1/3 of the back wall and the back floor, and we'll have that divvied up as we go. And then we're going to jump to the next 2 shelves and then do another 1/4 or 1/3, whatever it works at for us at the time, and then get the next 2 shelves, and then we'll be working up front. And so, you know, things are moving along. It's going good, and sales have been, I'm going to say right now, for the last week and a half, it's been okay. It's not been a knockout record. I think we had, and please bear with me on this, I'm going to go off memory as best I can. I think Monday, which was a Saturday and Sunday ship out, because we shipped out Saturday. We shipped out 6 to 7, 8 items on Saturday. I think we shipped out like 9 on Monday. Then we did like 5 or 6. No, that's not right. Nope. Friday was that. Okay, so back that up a day. And then today is Tuesday. We did not ship today, but we are going to ship tomorrow. And right now, I think we've only got like maybe 1 or 2 items to ship out. So we did like really good for Friday, 9 each, 8 or 9 on Friday. And then Saturday was, I think, 6 or 7. And then, of course, we skipped Sunday, which was, we had a few sales. Did that, and then we shipped on Monday. I think we shipped like 6 to 8 on Monday, and then today we've not shipped. So today, Tuesday, we've not shipped anything. So I'm trying to get all my days. So if I've screwed up on that, forgive me on that. I'm not by the computer on that to give you the exact numbers. But we had some good numbers, but the numbers are either going off or on, as it was with one of the sites or with the other, as in Madcap Toys or Madcap Toys Plus on eBay. Mercari, for us as of late, since we are still working on the redo with them, it's hit and miss. One day we'll do nothing, next day we'll do 2 or 3. Then you'll go a day or 2 with nothing, then you'll do 2 or 3. So it's still quirky with us, but again, some of that is our fault. Some of the eBay may be my fault on the main store. I don't know if it is truly or not, because I've seen so many breaks. Even today when I was working, I put on 30 items so far today, new items on eBay. And I've had at least 3 to 5 breaks, depending on how you call break. Now, what I'm calling a break is I get an error notification from the site, or I've got a site's page that comes up and don't come up. I'll get the title, eBay, and nothing below it. So there's issues there. And I have had some numbers that just are broken and says, you know, site issues or whatever you want to call it. But I've had that with eBay. District has been dead still. Poshmark has been another little savior here and there. It's hot or it's not. It's really doing good when it does good. You'll have 3 or 4 sales, at least we will. Or you'll have 1 or 2 or nothing. I mean, there's no in between. As of late, we've been making what I'm going to call usually multiple orders on Poshmark. I'll have people come in and buy 2 of this or 2 of that, and then you'll have one person buy this item and that item. So there'll be 2 items, but separate items as it was. So, you know, everything seems to be doing the off and on, but eBay is the one that gives me the most headaches and trouble right now, because I'll be honest with you, I can usually tell when it's them or us, but right now it's so intermittent the way the site's playing, and when I see the breaks and the errors pages, I'm like, okay, is my sales bad because of what I'm putting on? I'm trying to give me the blame here, doing a lot of sports cards as of late, but even when I do that, sometimes I'm saying, I don't think that's the reason we're doing bad, because I've almost got exactly singular items 14,000 plus, and I've got a lot of other items that are not sports cards. I'm putting on a lot of sports cards as of the last couple months, as most of you guys know that follow the channel, and thank you for that. But a lot of the items are not sports cards and are really good products, but when their sites are breaking and I have, you know, timed out issues and all this, I don't think we're to blame, people. So just keep it in mind. But hey guys, I wanted to show you today on a Tuesday just a little bit of what we've got going on, what we've done. I want to thank each and every one of you guys that like and share and have subscribed to this channel. And if you're not a member, please join us, because I'll tell you what, we'd appreciate it. And your comments are always welcome. And just tell me what's going on with your site. Have you had page breaks today? And, you know, if it's not today, say yesterday or Sunday or Saturday even. Anything past that, you know, it's hit or miss, because the site has issues, but, you know, it's not going to deal with what we're dealing with necessarily today. But just let us know what you're seeing. Have your sales picked up at all? I've got some people, I'm going to call them friends, even though we're not close. We know each other, communicate a little bit. Some people are rocking and rolling according to them, but that's not been happening for us for several weeks. But you know, we are making sales, but they could be a lot better. So hey guys, again, thank you so much, and don't forget to tell me what's going on in your side of the world, and you guys have a great and a wonderful day. All right, bye bye everyone.